This plumbing business shows up on Google when I search plumbers in Lancaster, Ohio, but all of them don't even have a proper website. Some plumbers are having experience of 15 plus years with 5-star review and still no website. In 2026, that means lost calls and lost revenue. Many local service businesses still rely only on Google listings or social media. Now, this looks like an agency-built website, which is a fully functional plumbing website built in minutes. Clear headline, immediate emergency positioning, strong call to action. Notice how the call button is visible immediately. That increases conversions. It clearly lists high-ticket services: burst pipe repair, water heater installation, drain cleaning, emergency leak detection. These are services worth hundreds or thousands per job. Professional visuals, clean layout, and mobile optimized. It also includes testimonials and trust signals. This builds credibility instantly. 24/7 availability, same-day service, licensed technicians, over 500 homes served. Location section builds local trust. Customers want to see you operate in their area, and remember, this wasn't built by an agency. This was generated using AI in under 10 minutes. Let me show you how this was created. I entered the business type, emergency plumbing service. I selected the location, Columbus, Ohio, then added a short business description. Within minutes, the AI generated the entire website automatically. The layout, images, services, testimonials, and structure are all generated instantly. You can edit text, update phone numbers, change images, and publish immediately. Now think about this. One plumbing job can easily be worth $1,000 to $3,000. If a website like this brings just one extra job per month, it pays for itself. That's why businesses are willing to pay for professional websites. Now, once the website is ready, you can connect a custom domain and hosting. I personally recommend Hostinger for affordable hosting and domain setup. I've added the links below. So the opportunity here is simple. Thousands of local service businesses still don't have optimized websites, and with AI tools, you can build one in minutes. If you want to start building websites like this for local businesses, check the links below. Thanks for watching.